IDP increases IELTS exam fee all the time. The same is going to happen on April 1st, 2023. As of right now, the exam fee is 15,500, which was increased from 14,700. In this slide, I'll be talking about it. So let's go to the slide.
So it's gonna increase. And let's go to the details. IELTS test fee is increasing from 1st April 2023. And in the notice, they mentioned that you can book your IELTS test right now for any future test till 31st March 2023. And you will save money. Okay, so if you book your exam for April or any other month, right now you will only need to pay 15,500. That's what IDP said. So is it true? I also wondered. So I just went straight and just googled it. I went to IDP's website, IDPI's website, and there wasn't any change at all, just like you can see over here. Okay, now this is the notice. So exam fee after April 1 will be 16,250 rupees. Okay, this will be the fees. And why is it not in the website? I'll tell you. And yeah, it is official. That's what my sirs and other people told me. Now, why not on the website? The reason is that they don't actually tell the public at first. Anyhow, we know right now, right? So this is the thing. So you can see the screenshot over here. Alright. And what do I think? What do Celestial think? What am I thinking? It's just 750 rupees increase, dude. You don't need to be bothered about it. Really. It keeps on happening literally all the time. Price increases. If you go out and have some burger or chicken biryani, you'll lose 750 rupees. Just think like that. Okay. So it just got increased from 14,700 to 15,500 before. And now it's gonna happen again. You don't need to worry about it. Alright. I don't feel like it's something serious. It's not at all. Okay, now should I book my exam now? Should you book? It's on you. If you want to book, go and book your exam. If you're a person like, if I say 700 rupees, 750 rupees, it's good. Go and book. It's on you. Alright. So it's that simple. So that's all. And if you want to get updates real quick rather than on YouTube or anywhere, please join our IELTS community. Okay, Telegram community. So I got an IELTS channel. You can just search Celestial IELTS on Telegram, or else you can find the link down below. Okay, so here I'll be sharing content related to IELTS. At the same time, we'll be having some reading, writing, and speaking sessions. So you can talk with the trainers online. And I would like to tell you about what we offer. We got IELTS Academic and General classes, batch 101, everything. You can see those in front of you. Okay.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you got any doubts regarding IELTS, PTE, visa or anything, please comment down below. Okay, and we got one IELTS channel and group, just like I talked about it in the slides. Okay, so if you want to join, you can find the link down below in the description as well as in the comments. Or else you can just search on Telegram Celestial IELTS and you will find my channel and group. Okay, and we'll be having tons and tons of activities, so see you there. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye bye. Celestial out.